Sports. Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Former Cricket West Indies president Dave Cameron believes personality clashes played a heavy part in him not receiving support in his hunt for chairmanship of the ICC. This after it was revealed this week that the Jamaican did not get a single nomination for the position. Jerome Foster has the details.
Cameron was ousted in 2019 by Ricky Skerritt for what would have been a fourth term as president of the region's board. He subsequently made it known that he would vie for the chairmanship of the ICC. However, the potential candidate must be seconded by another board member before the elections are held. But the outspoken Cameron did not find favor with any board, not even Cricket West Indies.
I wrote a very clear letter to the president. I've read it on two other news media that was very clear about what I was asking for. The response I got was noted, and I haven't seemed to see a response to that letter. The president has made some comments on a couple of news medium, and that's what has happened.
The Jamaican thinks he knows where the falling out stemmed from.
Obviously, I'm a Jamaican, and the leadership of West Indies cricket are from St. Kitts and St. Vincent. There's no such thing called a Caribbean or the West Indies, and that's the plain truth. An Indian would support an Indian, an Englishman would support an Englishman, an Australian would support an Australian. And really and truly, that's what you're seeing, irrespective of the personal differences. Because there's nobody in the Caribbean, in the West Indies, can say to you that I've done anything illegal, immoral, while being at West Indies cricket. So it's all personality.
Cameron, who was speaking on Radio Jamaica's hotline on Wednesday, believes the media has also played a role in labeling him as a bad apple.
From the day I became president, the media from around the entire Caribbean didn't give me a chance to be able to perform. And so I find it interesting.
Across the Caribbean, including Jamaica?
Including Jamaica.
Okay.
And I'll call Tony Becker of blessed memory, who was my friend before I became president, suddenly had articles. And you know, the good thing about it is that Tony Cousy had an article against me every week until he passed away.
The new Cricket West Indies body has done away with several of Cameron's policies, and he thinks Skerritt and company are getting an easy ride from the region.
And I see the love that my new president is getting. Everything that's going bad, it's not him. It's because the coaches are not good, the system is not right or something. While I was there for 6 years, every article said that Dave Cameron-led West Indies cricket hasn't done this or hasn't done that. So
the post of ICC chairman is expected to be filled by December. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.